Nothing cuts a camping trip shorter than chopping off a finger. This is Tuesday's tip with Hammer, so let's cut an onion, shall we? Okay, so some people like myself like to quarter the onion before you chop it, because what that does is you can peel the skin off a little faster, because what happens is that, like myself right now, I'm kind of tearing up, and you can do this a lot faster. You're going to get less of that sulfur that's coming up into your eyes. You know, some people I've heard like to refrigerate them beforehand. I personally like to suffer through it. You know, every man needs a good cry, doesn't he? We're going to go like so. Doesn't really have to be, again, very precise. Again, curl your fingers. You're going to touch your knuckles. You're not going to touch your fingertips. Do not cut your finger, please, because you need to save your Band-Aids for the kids. You're going to slice through like so, or you can just chop, get it over with, and rub your eyes. That's it. Okay, so we just finished onion. We're going to do some garlic now. It's not so painful on the eyes. First, we're going to have to peel the paper off of here, then we're going to expose the cloves. I'm going to show you how to take the paper itself off of the cloves, then chop her up, okay? Let's go. Pick it up, hold it like so. We're going to come in here, we're going to take the paper like so, and twist it like so, twist it like so. All right? Now, you're just going to run your thumb down through it and press it kind of hard. Just slowly, slowly. And see how we're getting close to these cloves? It'll be perfect. See, one comes off. Now, while they're doing that, let's just peel them off one at a time. I'm going to show you how to take, you can see the rough paper on there. I'm going to show you how to take that off a lot easier. I'm going to give you 3 little options here. Sometimes if you're not comfortable with a knife, I'm going to show you the fun way. I'm going to move this off to the side. So, first things first. I'll use this. What we're going to do is go through and get rid of that little piece of stem. And what you want to do is pull your cutting board close to the edge of the table. Give it one big smash, like a hammer. Okay, we're going to pull that off, and you can see you're ready to chop. Let's do it again, but we're going to use a different implement. I like the chef's knife, especially if I'm using this for everything else that I'm doing. Again, your cutting board's right here. We're going to go like so. Make sure that the handle, it comes across over here, just past there. So you're just hitting the knife blade. One more time. Smash it. There we go. So I'm going to peel it back. See how I don't have to get my thumbnails underneath there and stink up my hands all day? There's that. Okay, so here's the other fun one. We're going to use this just to cut this off. Go in there, right there. We're going to move this off to the side, and then here's my even favorite. Boom. We're going to cut that, peel it off, and boom. That even keeps it a little bit more firm, so if you just want to do some slices or slivers, say you want to do pasta sauce, something like that, you don't want to chop it up too fine, there you go. Now, let's go like this. Basically, it's the same thing. Onion, curl your fingers. You can come back around, do it again. That's probably for this recipe. This is all I want to do. I'll show you how to do it a little bit finer. I'll show you on this one. How about that? We're going to chop through real fast. Just see, up to knuckles. And let's go this way. See how I've got my hand on top of the knife? There we go. That's it. That's how to chop garlic. Yummy. We use a lot of garlic and onions in virtually everything around the campfire. What I want you to do is subscribe. We're going to have a whole bunch of different campfire meals. I'm Hammer. This is Tuesday's tip. Camping ain't all hot dogs and burgers. Y'all have a good one.